How to fix Spotify Wrapped 2025 not showing. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. First things first, make sure that you are using an updated version of Spotify. So go ahead and open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Spotify and make sure the application is updated to its latest version, and if not, then update the app further. See if that helps in fixing your issue, and if not, then go ahead and open Spotify on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on the search bar here and then tap on the search bar and search for Wrapped, and you will be able to see the 2025 Wrapped. Just in case if you don't see the wrapped option, then you can try to force quit the app by simply swiping up and exiting the app, as this will refresh the homepage layout. And if you're still not able to see the wrapped option, then go ahead and open your preferred browser and tap on the search bar there and search for spotify.com/wrapped. Here, log into your account and you should be able to see the wrapped here. If not, then go ahead and open settings again and tap on the general option you see there and then tap on iPhone storage. Further, go ahead and navigate to Spotify and tap on the offload app option and reinstall the app again, as doing this will help in clearing the cache in the application. See if your issue is fixed or not, and if not, then go ahead and open Spotify on your device and then tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen. Further, tap on the settings and privacy option there and then tap on the log out option. Log yourself out and then log in again and see if the wrapped banner appears. If not, then you can try to restart your iPhone, as restarting the iPhone helps in clearing temporary app errors. And lastly, if nothing fixes your issue, then you can try to completely delete the Spotify application from your device and then reinstall the app and then log in again, as this will clear all corrupted app files. So these were a few fixes on how you can fix Spotify Wrapped not showing. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this.